Welcome back to another video by your favorite realtor. Today we're talking about why and how to start a successful YouTube channel. Now this video is mainly geared towards real estate agents, but anybody can apply what I talk about here. So I'm going to show you literally everything that I know. So this exact strategy helped me grow from 0 subscribers to just over 4,000 in a little over 3 months. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how I make my videos, what kind of gear you need, scripting, filming, editing, monetization, how to build a fan base, all those kind of things. Literally everything is going to be in here. And you'll even get to look at my analytics and revenue later on. I'll have to break up the video into multiple parts just so it's not super long. So today in part 1, we're going to cover why you should even make a YouTube channel, getting your channel set up, what kind of gear you need, what kind of videos to post, and how often to post. Part 2 will be about choosing the video idea, how to script, film, and get comfortable talking to the camera, and also how to make good vlogs, and also how to make good thumbnails. Lastly, part 3 will be talking about uploading your video and how to get it to rank so you actually get views, what to do after you've uploaded your video, and I'll also give you some tips about monetization and also about how to build a loyal fan base. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. Alright, so here's why you should start a YouTube channel. The first reason is, let's say you're a realtor like I am, and many of my viewers are. It's a great way to get leads and referrals and repeat business. Just take a look at Stephanie's video, for example. By the way, if you haven't already subscribed to her channel, go subscribe. I'll put the link down in the description below. But look, she is ranking at the top in her city because other realtors just don't really know how to use YouTube, or they're just not on YouTube. Reason number 2, as realtors, especially new realtors, it's hard to know when our next paycheck is coming. YouTube gives you more stability because it allows you to have tons of different options to monetize your channel. For example, once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you're eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, and this will allow you to make money off of the ads that play before, during, and after your videos. You can also make money with affiliate links. So affiliate links are links that you get from a company that when somebody goes and purchases a product through that link, you get a very small commission. So I'm an affiliate for Amazon. I'm an affiliate for Prep Agent, which helps new agents pass their real estate exam. And I'm also an affiliate for Real Estate Express. So anytime I mention, go click the link down below if you're interested in checking out that product. That's an affiliate link. It's at no extra cost to my viewers, but I get a very small commission. The great thing with being an Amazon affiliate is that you have access to like all the products in the world. Plus, Amazon tracks the customers for 24 hours. So this means, let's say you had clicked the link in my description to buy my laptop. But, you viewed it, but you didn't really end up buying it today. Anything else that you buy on Amazon over the next 24 hours, I get a commission off of that too. So let me show you my Amazon affiliate dashboard. It's super easy to set up. Just Google Amazon Associates and you should be able to figure that out pretty quickly. So let me take you into the Amazon affiliate dashboard and you can see what that looks like. We are in the dashboard and this is what it looks like on the home page. Now, as you can see in the past 30 days, it doesn't pay a whole lot. But it's easy money. You just put the links into your videos in the description and they live there forever, right? So the more videos that you put out, the higher chance you have of somebody clicking those links. Now, let me show you what it's looked like over the last couple months, because I just started doing it this year. So let's go over here to the earnings report and you can see this year I've made a total of $35.84. $25.84 of that was actually from you guys buying products. $10 of that was from bounties. So this is when people sign up for like free trials. So I have like a free Audible trial. It's linked down below, by the way. Let's see. Where you guys can go and sign up for Audible. You can get free audiobook listening and it doesn't cost anything to you, but I get $5 every time that somebody signs up. And because Amazon owns Audible, I can get all of that kind of stuff too. Right? So it's pretty easy to set up. Let's say you wanted to link a product. You come up here to product linking. Product links, and you can search for literally any kind of product, right? And so I could get the link for this one. Let's say I just wanted text only. I can come here, make it a short link, copy that, and paste it right into my YouTube video description. It's that easy. I'm not going to go through everything with Amazon Associates. It's pretty simple. You can look up some YouTube videos about it. There's some great people. A lot of YouTubers use this to make more money on their channel. Eventually, it'll start making me some more money. So start it when you're first starting out your channel. Don't wait. Reason number 3 is you can make an incredible amount of money just off YouTube ads alone. Now, eventually my plan is to transition the channel into talking more about personal finance and real estate investing, kind of like a Graham Stephan approach. But let me show you exactly what the YouTube analytics dashboard looks like, how much I've made so far being monetized a little over 1 week now. All right, so here we are inside the YouTube dashboard. And as you can see over here, this is your CPM. Now this stands for cost per mil, and this is what advertisers are willing to pay YouTube for every 1,000 views on your video. This number is always changing, as well as your RPM. Your RPM is what YouTube pays you out of their CPM, right? And like I said, like these numbers are always changing. It's usually right around 55%. Let's actually change this just a little bit because I got monetized March 3rd, right? So now this is a little bit more accurate. As you can see, the first day I made $47, next day 48, 40, 27. You know, it just changes every single day. So now we're starting to pick back up just a little bit. Total, I've made almost $260 for about 17,000 views. Now, just for reference, let's say I had been monetized all of last month. Last month was a great month for me. I got about 55,000 views last month. That would have made me anywhere from $800 to almost $1,000 that month. That would have been an incredible amount, especially as a new agent, especially with a new YouTube channel. I could put that towards lead generation. It would have been amazing. That's what you have to look forward to when you start a YouTube channel and you get monetized. All right, so when it comes to setting up your channel, picking a name for your channel shouldn't be something that takes up a whole lot of your time. If you're in a professional occupation like I am, you might put just your name, or you could put your name plus your occupation. So mine is just Joshua Erabu. I could have said Joshua Erabu Real Estate. If I was a doctor, maybe Joshua Erabu MD. You get it. Now, I made my channel art on Photoshop. If you don't know what channel art is, it's just the banner that goes on top of your YouTube channel, so you can see it on desktop and phones and TV, all that kind of stuff. You know, just make it really simple. Put your name, put what you do, and then if you plan on being really consistent with your content, maybe put when you're going to upload, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, for example. If you don't know how to use Photoshop, you can always use canva.com, which is like a free version of Photoshop, and it does pretty much everything that you need it to do. Okay, so let's talk about exactly what kind of gear you need to get started. I've got everything that I use linked down below, everything that I mentioned. You don't need super fancy equipment. This is all pretty budget friendly, so let me show you how it all kind of works together. All right, so as you guys can see, this is pretty much my whole setup. I mean, it's pretty simple, right? So I've got my laptop over here. Again, everything is linked down below. This is a blue Snowball Ice microphone that I just picked up a few days ago. I don't really use it for my videos, but I might use it if I'm on a Zoom call, or if I have to do a voiceover or something. This is the tripod that I use. It's pretty cheap, but I mean, it works well. You know, for these kind of simple sit-down videos, this works perfectly. This is the phone mount that I use to actually keep my phone on the tripod. Now, this mount works okay, but I'm gonna try and link something that's actually a little bit better. The thing that I actually like about this is that on the top it has this mount so I can screw on the microphone. The microphone that I use is called a Rode Video Micro. It retails for about 60 bucks. I think I picked this one up used for about 45. Again, I just use my iPhone 11, and then I have to use this cord here to actually attach the microphone to my phone because I don't have a headphone jack, unfortunately. I've got my ring light over here with its light stand. Again, everything's linked down below. Guys, it really doesn't take all that much to actually get your YouTube channel up and running. I mean, as you can see, I like to keep it, pretty budget friendly. You can probably get started for less than 100 bucks. When I got started, I just had the microphone. I had my tripod, and I didn't have a ring light. And then I just used my window light over there. When you're first starting, try and keep a pretty low budget. Maybe YouTube is not really for you, so don't go and spend, a couple $1,000 on all this equipment. I film using my iPhone 11. It takes great video, even in 1080p, which is really all I need. I can go up to 4K, but I don't really need any of that, for these kind of videos. Lastly, for editing, I use a program called Adobe Rush. It runs me about $10 a month. It's pretty much just like Premiere Pro, except way simpler to use. And it's got a bunch of built-in sound effects, soundtracks, graphics, titles, overlays. You name it, it's got it in there. It just makes the editing process a whole lot easier. What kind of videos should you be posting? It's really crucial when you're first starting out to pick a niche and really stick to it. If you make videos about everything that you're interested in, that's great, but it's going to take a long time to even build a following because the people that want to subscribe don't know what to expect. For example, on my channel, I make videos geared towards new, young real estate agents. And when you subscribe, you know that you're going to get videos that are geared towards new, young real estate agents. Let's say I was supposed to video tomorrow about minimalism. That's something I'm interested in, but that would perform poorly on my channel because my subscribers don't care about that. You guys subscribe to see me as a real estate agent doing what I do, so you can get an idea of what it's like working as a real estate agent. I'm not going to post about minimalism on my channel. For example, in the future on this channel, instead of talking just about real estate, being a real estate agent, I'm going to talk more about real estate investing, personal finance, and lifestyle. But in order to even get to a point where I could consider doing that, I have to build up a fan base first, and that starts with picking a niche and sticking to it. If you're a real estate agent, here's a few ideas for you for some kind of videos to make. If you're like me, you could make a channel geared towards new, young real estate agents. Show them what it's like being a real estate agent. This is what I'm doing today. This is what I did yesterday. These are some tips, and this is what I've learned. Let's say you're an experienced agent. You could make videos geared towards new agents still, but teach them, hey, this is what I learned. This is what you should be doing to be successful. Then eventually you can start selling courses. You can start, consulting once you've built up that fan base. Maybe you want your channel to be geared towards consumers, which is a great way to get leads and actually grow your real estate business. In that case, you can make videos geared towards consumers, like buyers and sellers, giving them tips and tricks and talking about your local area. What it's like to buy real estate in Lincoln, Nebraska. What it's like to sell real estate in Lincoln, Nebraska. How to sell for sale by owner. Why you should pick an agent. Those kind of things will eventually get you leads. Your channel will grow a little bit slower just because you're talking to your specific area, but it'll actually drive your real estate business forward. So hopefully that kind of helps you understand that you need to start small and then eventually you can expand. It's so important to start small so you can build up that loyal fan base, and then eventually you can expand once you've got a following, but don't try and do everything out there right now. Now look, I'm definitely not one to talk about posting consistently. It's something that I really need to get better at, but I know that YouTube rewards channels that post consistently, and I know that it's important. Just starting, posting once a week is probably just fine. Maybe as you get more experience, you can post twice, maybe even 3 times a week. Just pick something and stick to it. Now, here's how I plan out my content for the month. I use what's called my content calendar, and I'll have a link down below that you can download the template for free. So basically, I've got it sorted out by date. As you can see, I really don't stick to it. I need to get better at that. Do better than me. But it's a place for me to jot down my ideas, jot down any notes that I have. And sometimes I don't even end up making these videos, but it helps to get them all out where I can see them, and then I can decide which ones I really want to do. So that was it for part 1, but stay tuned for part 2, because in part 2 we're going to be talking about how to choose a video idea, how to make a good thumbnail, what makes a good vlog, how to talk to the camera, how to script your videos. All that kind of stuff is going to be in part 2. Part 3, we'll talk about how to actually get views, how to make your videos rank, and how to build up a loyal fan base, and how to get monetized a little bit quicker.